So I'm here in the office today with Walter Foster. It is his 100th birthday. Happy birthday, Walter. It's been a pleasure working with you. You've been an inspiration to me and my family members for many years now, teaching us all how to draw and how to paint. Happy birthday.
Walter Foster, happy anniversary. 100 years is an amazing milestone.
May the next 100 years bring even more wonderful art into the homes of people all around the world.
Happy anniversary, Walter Foster. 100 years of art projects and teaching people how to do amazing things with creativity.
Happy anniversary, Walter Foster.
I'm a colored pencil artist who's received instruction from Walter Foster and who now gets to teach through Walter Foster. So happy anniversary, and I hope your celebration is awesome.
The staff, everyone, amazing. I love working with them. I love working with the Walter Foster. So again, thank you and congratulations.
Here's wishing Walter Foster a very happy 100th birthday. Congratulations.
Happy anniversary, Walter Foster.
Happy 100 years, Walter Foster. Here's to 100 more.
Congratulations to Walter Foster on their 100-year anniversary. I'm very, very honored to be a Walter Foster author.